Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing trims around the gauge cluster. Pry gently at the lower panel, then unscrew 2 fasteners. Once the bezel is loose, you'll unclip the cluster and tilt it forward enough to access the rear. Make sure to keep screws in a small container so nothing gets lost. You're doing this now because direct access to the instrument harness and bulb sockets is required. Once exposed, you can change bulbs or access the dashboard lighting harness without guessing where parts sit. You'll now identify the small twist lock bulb sockets or the LED strip connectors. Twist counterclockwise and pull straight out to remove bulbs. If switching to LEDs, test polarity by briefly connecting power. Flip the LED if it doesn't light. If the Civic has an RGB control strip, remove it and swap in a new module or resolder wires to change color. Make sure to match ground and power. Once bulbs or modules are swapped, reinsert sockets and test the dash lights before You finish by reconnecting the negative battery terminal, turn the key to on, and cycle the dimmer to confirm the new color works across brightness levels. Once satisfied, push the cluster back into place, retighten screws, and snap the bezel and trim panels back in. If the lights flicker or don't illuminate, make sure connectors are fully seated, grounds are clean, and any resistors or adapters are correctly installed. Addressing those 3 checks resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.